For the cake, beat the eggs and sugar until creamy. Add the milk and vegetable oil and beat a little more. Then add the vanilla, baking powder, salt, and sifted flour. Mix until smooth. Add the grated carrots, chopped walnuts, and cinnamon, and mix with a spatula. Pour the mixture into a 24 cm cake tin and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 minutes. Do not open the oven for the first 35 minutes. Baking time might be less for a rectangular tin, so always check with a toothpick. For the cream cheese frosting, combine all the described ingredients in a bowl and beat until smooth using an electric mixer. Chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After the cake has cooled, spread the frosting on top and decorate with chopped walnuts. Make sure the cake is completely cool to prevent the frosting from melting. Enjoy your delicious carrot cake.